This video, we're going to talk about 4.3 Objective 5, where we compute percentiles. One of the authors with too much time on his hands weighed each chocolate candy in a bag of 460 plain chocolate candies, complete parts A through C. One of the chocolate candies weighed 0.776 grams, and it was heavier than 25 of the other chocolate candies. What is the percentile of this particular value? So we're going to take the 25 that it was heavier than and divide it by the 460 candies that were in the bag and multiply by 100%. And then we're going to round down to the nearest integer, so it's in the 5th percentile. Next, we have a candy that was heavier than 327 of the 460 candies. We're going to multiply that by 100%, and that's going to be the 71st percentile. 71st. And then we have one that weighed heavier than 223 of the 460 candies. We're going to multiply that by 100, and we get 48th percentile. Data set consists of 71 ages of women at the time that they won an award in the category of Best Actress. Complete parts A through C below. One of the actresses was 40 years of age, and she was older than 46 of the other actresses at the time that she won the award. So 46 divided by 71 times 100% is 64. So she's in the 64th percentile. One of the actresses of 54 years of age, she was older than 60 of the other actresses. So 60 divided by 71 times 100 is the 84th percentile. And then one of the actresses was 60 years of age. And she was older than 61 of the other actresses. So 61 divided by 71 times 100. And that's the 85th percentile. Almost 86th, but we can't say 86% was below that. We have to round down to 85% there. Use the percentile flow chart to answer the following question. When finding the 35th percentile from a sample of 200 IQ scores, the locator L is found to be 70. What is the value of the 35th percentile? So you can watch that video if you go to this question, this flowchart question here, or you can look at the media. Almost the entire link is there. I think it ends in HTM or HTML. But the question here again, when finding the 35th percentile from a sample of 200 IQ scores, the locator L is found to be 70. What is the value of the 35th percentile? And it's the IQ score that's midway between the 70th and 71st scores in the sorted list. So, and then using that same video there, when finding the 37th percentile from a sample of IQ scores, the locator L is found to be 45.5. What is the value of the 37th percentile? It's the 46th IQ score in the sorted list. And When finding the value of the percentile, the location of the value L equals K over 100N, where K is the percentile and N is the sample size. Give a sorted sample of 500, given a sorted sample of 500 IQ scores, what is the value of the 40th percentile? So we would take 40 over 100 times 500, and we would get a locator value of 200, and that means that it would be the score that's midway between the 200th and 201st scores in the sorted list. Let's keep going here. Let's find L here, where again, we want 40 divided by 100 times, this time there's only 234 IQ scores. So we get 93.6. So it's going to be the 94th IQ score in the sorted list there. And that's it. So we'll come back next time and talk about 4.3 Objective 6. See you for the next